సో ఇప్పుడు వీడియో నెంబర్ 2 స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం మన ఈ 2000 వర్డ్స్ సిరీస్లో. సో ఫస్ట్ వర్డ్ ANOTHER అనదర్, HEALTH హెల్త్, SAME సేమ్, STUDY స్టడీ, WHY why, FEW few, GAME game, MIGHT might, THINK think, TOO two, HAD had, HAD had, HI high, RIGHT right, STILL still, SYSTEM system, AFTER after, COMPUTER computer, BEST best, MUST must, HER her, LIFE life. Next second line SINCE since, COULD could, ఇది కుల్డ్ అని చదువుతుంటారు, మనం కుడ్ అని చదవాలి, COULD, L సైలెంట్, DOES does, NOW now, DURING during, LEARN learn, AROUND around, USUALLY usually. Next FORM form, MEAT meet, AIR air, DAY day, PLACE place, BECOME become, NUMBER number, PUBLIC public, READ read, KEEP keep, PART part, START start, YEAR year. Next words EVERY every, FIELD field, LARGE large, ONCE once, AVAILABLE available, DOWN down, GIVE give, FISH fish, HUMAN human, BOTH both, LOCAL local, SURE sure, SOMETHING something, WITHOUT without, COME come, me, BACK back, BETTER better, GENERAL general, PROCESS process, SHE she. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకొన్ని వర్డ్స్ నేర్చుకుందాం. So let's start. HEAT, heat. THANKS, thanks. SPECIFIC, specific. ENOUGH, enough. LONG, long. LOT, lot. HAND, hand. POPULAR, popular. Next, SMALL, small. THOUGH, though. EXPERIENCE, experience. INCLUDE, include. JOB, job. MUSIC, music. PERSON, person. REALLY, really. ALTHOUGH, although. THANK, thank. BOOK, book. EARLY, early. READING, reading. Next words. END, end. METHOD, method. NEVER, never. LESS, less. PLAY, play. ABLE, able. DATA, data. FEEL, feel. HIGH, high. OFF, off. POINT, point. TYPE, type. WHETHER, weather. FOOD, food. UNDERSTAND, understand. HERE, here. HOME, home. CERTAIN, certain. ECONOMY, economy. LITTLE, little. ఇది కూడా T. THEORY, theory. తర్వాత వర్డ్స్. TONIGHT, tonight. LAW, law. PUT, put. UNDER, under. VALUE, value. ALWAYS, always. BODY, body. COMMON, common. MARKET, market. Next, SET, set. BIRD, bird. GUIDE, guide. PROVIDE, provide. CHANGE, change. INTEREST, interest. LITERATURE, literature. Next, SOMETIMS, sometimes. PROBLEM, problem. SAY, say. NEXT, next. CREATE, create. CREATE, create. Next words. SIMPLE simple, SOFTWARE software, STATE state, TOGETHER together, CONTROL control, KNOWLEDGE knowledge, POWER power, ABILITY ability, RADIO radio, LOVE love, BASIC basic, COURSE course, ECONOMICS economics అని కూడా చదువుతారు. HARD hard, ADD add, COMPANY company, KNOWN known, PAST past, PRICE price, SIZE size, AWAY away, BIG big, INTERNET internet, POSSIBLE possible, TELEVISION television, THREE 3, UNDERSTAND understand, VARIOUS various, YOURSELF yourself, CARD card, DIFFICULT difficult, INCLUDING including, LIST list, MIND mind, PARTICULAR particular, REAL real, SCIENCE science, TRADE trade, CONSIDER consider, EITHER either, LIBRARY library, LIKELY likely. Next, NATURE nature, FACT fact, LINE line, PRODUCT product, CARE care, GROUP group, IDEA idea, RISK risk, SEVERAL several, SOMEONE someone, TEMPERATURE temperature, TEMPERATURE temperature, UNITED united, WORD word, FAT fat, FORCE force, KEY key, LIGHT light, SIMPLY simply, TODAY today, TRAINING training, UNTIL until. ఇవి కొన్ని పదాలు. ఇవి బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోతో మళ్ళీ కలుస్తాను. లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.